Welcome back to my channel. This is Engineer Giacomo, and today I'm dealing with it's the second story of a building with a flat roof, and there is a roof leak. This is not the first time it happened. I went up on the roof and tried to fix it using the wet and dry, the roof cement. I know where the roof leak. There is some kind of drainage system. I seal it. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try something to put maybe an inner pipe a little smaller and see if that fixes the problem. The problem is where they cut the concrete from the roof, but there is like a big drain, like a storm drain, really, what it is, a storm water drainage. Anyway, see, this is the leak, but it was a bigger one. 3 ceiling tiles were affected. I already did cut my new ceiling tiles. Some were standard size, some they needed to be cut because the wall there is a little smaller, so they need a special cutting. Now, one of the tricks I can mention here, it works always well. You put one of those cheap aluminum pens, the larger the better, underneath the leak. Most of the time, if it's just a tiny drip, it will be fine because evaporation will make the water evaporate. You know, just in Florida it doesn't rain too much, but this leak clearly works, so I need to do something about it. But it's like a band-aid at the moment. But if it's a tiny little leak, or something like that, just enough to ruin your ceiling tiles, this would fix it. So I normally put it as much as I can. I'm gonna move the insulation so it has support, and it stays like this. The drip will go inside here, and it will really save the ceiling tiles. Actually, let me finish it up and then I show you how it is. But the pen will go above the tile in a position where I can see from the spot in the ceiling tiles where the water was coming down. My ceiling tile is in position. As you can see, I put exactly where the drip will happen. So I will collect the rainwater until I can find a solution on the roof, but it will save me from change again the ceiling tiles. And the best way to cut them when they have a cut like that is to take the old one, wet one out, unless it collapses. If it collapses, then you need to measure, and I cut exactly the same size. I use a razor blade. I found it to be pretty good, although after 1 or 2 tiles they get very dull, or one of those the blade works pretty good. A knife, I like to work with a knife also, a serrated knife. And today was about stopping a small leak from damaging ceiling tile with a temporary solution using an aluminum pen. Ceiling is finished. There's not a perfect match from the tiles. That's all I had at the moment, but it looks by far better than before. And next I'm gonna work on the roof leak and see what the heck is going on there. Thank you again for watching. This is Engineer Giacomo. Thumbs up and please subscribe.